Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Sephora. Welcome you back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, just want to welcome you, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll consider subscribing. So definitely grab your comfiest chair, the best popcorn you ever ate, and your favorite go-to so we can get this video rolling. So recently I put a poll on Instagram asking some of you guys what video you'll like to see next on my channel, and I gave you the options of choosing between the Never Have I Ever game and makeup tips for beginners. Judging from those two options right there alone, like personally, I would automatically go for the Never Have I Ever game, right? But I did have a couple of friends that I knew personally, and they reached out to me and asked me to do this type of tutorial so that way they can get on the makeup wave. And I figured, you know what, that's the whole point of YouTube anyway, to show people how to do something so that way they can be better and they can show other people too. So I decided that I'm just gonna do both, because you know, honestly I'm like so excited to see how that video is going to turn out, especially the people that I do have in mind for that game. I'm so excited to see how that's going to turn out. So stay tuned for that one. But this one, for the ones that requested this, and this video is for you guys. Before I go any further, I just want to let you guys know that I did do my eyebrows off camera. And I'm going to say this every single video until one of you guys muster enough guts so that way you could be like, you know what, Sephora, show me that damn eyebrow tutorial you've been talking about. To start off with your makeup, it is always best to make sure you wash your face. Now, I know for a fact that I shouldn't have to mention that. I really shouldn't. Okay, but you know, you just want to be sure. Afterwards, it is always good to moisturize, depending on what type of skin you have, whether if you have oily or normal to dry skin, whatever, it is always good to moisturize. My favorite moisturizer at the moment is the E.L.F. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This shit is bomb. After moisturizing your skin, you want to go in with primer. Now, I'm going to say this also every time I make a video. It is really important that you have some type of primer, whether if you spray it on or rub it on your face. Totally up to you. Because this is a beginner friendly type of makeup look, I figured for the sake of this video that I would stick to only drugstore type of makeup, because I mean, honestly, like if you want to go into Sephora and spend money on Benefit, MAC, whatever, you want to go to Chanel, if you want to do that, you got the coins, girl, go for it. But this is for the ladies that are just starting out. It is okay to get stuff from like your local CVS, or Walgreens, your Walmart, and try it out and see what works best for you. With my primer today, I'm going to use the E.L.F. Mattifying Primer. Alright guys, it's totally up to you if you want to skip this step, but me, I like to actually conceal underneath my eyes and on the blemishes that I have on my skin. So like a little bit around my mouth area and underneath my eyes. Just a little bit, not a lot. Oh, by the way, this is the HD cover stick in the color Topaz. Alright guys, I'm just going to buff that into my skin before I apply my foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect. I am in the color Golden Tan. Going in with my Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm going to just spray my face before blending my foundation. I really love this foundation. Like, this is like, whenever I'm not wearing my high-end foundation, I'm wearing this. Next, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I normally use the Maybelline Fit Me, but because these just came out and I hear that it's actually very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I have actually 3 of them, but I never really use them. They just like really like taking up space in my drawer. But I want to try this out and see how this is. And I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. It's very, very, very buttery. Going in with my Real Technique sponge, I'm going to just blend that in. That's pretty nice. Ooh. Oh my goodness. What? New favorite concealer alert. Ooh, like I really like that. Okay. I highly recommend that. Please go get you one. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my Sheer Envy Bake, Brighten, and Set Loose Finishing Powder by Hard Candy. I actually mixed this with my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and it's actually doing pretty good for me. I'm not going to bake that long. I usually bake for like 30 seconds. The longest I've ever done it was for about 2 minutes. But I'm just going to use the leftover, the stuff that I have left over, and just basically set around my mouth because I do have smile lines. I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge and press the finishing powder into my skin, so that way it does not move. The next product I'm going to mention is my SEPHORA Microsmooth Face Powder. I know that it's not drugstore, but honestly, like, I love this face powder so much that honestly, like, it has to be part of any routine that I do. Next, I'm going to grab my favorite bronzer at the moment, and that's the matte bronzer by NYX in the shade Dark Tan. Honestly, I really love this bronzer. Like, whenever I don't want to contour and I just want to use, like, just warm up my face a little bit, this is like the really good one. Like, honestly, like, I'm always grabbing it now lately. Whatever's left on my brush from the Sephora foundation, and just blend all those together. This is a natural type of look. I wanted to take my bronzer and an eyeshadow crease brush just to, you know, give me a little bit of color into my eyes. I'm just going to place that into my crease like so. And nothing else, nothing less, nothing more, like just like that, just to give me, you see that? See how different that look? Just to give me a little bit of color to my face, you know, make it look like I have a little bit of makeup on, but not really. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite blush, and that's by NYX in the shade Nude to Me. It looks really nice. It gives you that healthy glow, like it's like so good. If you are comfortable applying lashes, you may do so, but I'm gonna go in with my two favorite mascaras from Avon. One is for length, one is for width. Next, I'm going to grab my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Crown of My Canopy. I'm gonna just grab my fan brush and just, you know, get some of that product onto my cheeks and everywhere else I like to highlight. All right, time to go in with lips. For me, being a woman of color, I like to always outline my lips with a brown pencil, so I'm going to grab the NYX lip liner in Nutmeg. Going in with my NYX butter gloss in the color Creme Boulee. Guys, I'm going to set my face one last time with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. And I'm just going to just set my entire face with it. Alright guys, looks like this is the conclusion of my video for today. If in fact this has helped you in any type of way, please do not be afraid to give me a thumbs up and to share this video. If you are new here, as I said in the beginning of the video, do not forget to hit that subscription button so that way you never miss any of my videos and you'll always get notified. The items that I did use for today's video will be listed below. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video for today. And as always, I will see you on my next video. Bye.